What's up, guys? It's your homie Lucky. Welcome back to the channel. Guess what? It's time to do the driver's side seat. So you guys seen the process of the passenger side. Now it's time for the driver's side. I wanted to save the driver's side as a long form video because the driver's side is way worse, homies. Way worse. I think we should do like less talking and like more working. Let's get to it. And this is the vinyl I decided to get. I decided not to get the real leather, just the vinyl, because I mean, it's gonna rip again. If you think about it, all Fords, F-150s, F-250s, F-350s, all the Excursions, all the seats on the driver's side, look fucked up. All of them. I haven't not seen one seat that's not fucked up. So we got the armrest. We have the top side limited. Okay, we got the top one, and we have the bottom side. Okay, like I said, I will link because I got these off Amazon, and then I'm gonna do a 6-month review. In 6 months, I'll do like an update video and how they held up. But here's the bottom piece. Pretty good, man. Pretty good. I love the way they came out. And of course, we got the foam, because the foam is fucked up. So let me show you what the driver's side looks like. That's how the driver's side looks like. Everything is fucked up. Everything. We can save this foam if we wanted to, but it's fucked up. Once we remove everything, we'll see how bad this foam is. Look how fucked up it is here, right where the limited is. There, I don't know, some cat got like crazy or something, or I don't know, or some fucking vato was stabbing this, but it's all messed up. All of it, in the front and everything. And no wonder my ass hurt. Look at this, a fucking piece of bar right there. Yeah, that hurt. All right, so let's remove the seat now. So first, I'm gonna push this all the way forward just so we can get access to the rear bolts. Okay, so let's go to the back side. We're gonna move this mat out of the way. You're gonna have an 18 mil nut right there, and then that T-Torx bolt right here. So let's grab this, and our impact. Take off this nut first, right there. We'll put this here. So now we're gonna take this one off. Okay, grab this, put it over here. Actually, let's be organized. Put it right there. Put that there. Let's go forward. I mean backwards. Okay, I'm doing this left-handed. Take that off. Do that side right there. Oh, socket fell off. Okay, right here. Put this right here. And now with this seat, grab here, lift up. And you're gonna have a connector right there. See that little tab right here? Push in the tab and disconnect, okay? And after you disconnect it, take your seat out. Right there. Easy money. I'll put this right here. Just like that. Okay, so I have this chair on our bench. This is the lunch table that we use over there for when we take breaks. I stole it from over there. I don't think they'll notice. So I got it right here so we can, show you the process and everything right here. All right, let's start taking this apart. So what I'm gonna do is face this on the side. Right here. Oh shit. What the hell? It's got a bunch of glass pieces in there. So we're gonna remove this plastic tab right here. These little plastic tabs, they have a little Christmas tree, on the bottom of these. Sometimes they break. Get yourself, I don't know, a flathead or trim tool piece. Slowly work its way off. Sometimes they break. Just play with it. Like that. It's all right, we can buy new ones. That's what I'm talking about, little Christmas tree things. Imagine how long it's been there. It's probably been there since 2002. So you got 2 Phillips, one right here, one right there. Take this off. Okay, that's 1. And that's 2, okay? You got 2 in there. We're gonna be organized and leave our nuts and bolts right there. So now we got this loose. You got a Phillips here to remove this handle. Pop this off, and then you got a Phillips there. Take this off. Then this just pops off like that. So there is supposed to be one right there, but that's missing. So let's pop this off. Grab a flathead, trim tool, just wiggle it off, just like this. Bam! Take off this Phillips right here. Right there. So now this panel is ready to come off. Slide her forward. You might have to do this. Slide forward. Damn it. Right there. So now we got to disconnect the connector to this seat adjuster. See there? Follow it to there. Right there, homies. So I spread this ear and I spread that ear. Then you just disconnect it like that. Fish that connector through. Remember the routing of it, okay? I mean, it's not that difficult. Okay, so that's off. So now we're gonna move this lumbar adjuster. It's gonna have a Phillip here and a Phillip right there. Took the first one off. One, see that? Get loose. Perfecto. And that we just push it through. Make sure you bring this all the way up. See where the hole lines up? Then here, you pop out. Should be easy. Right there, okay? So when you put it on, goes in, lift up, over, like that. We'll do it again. Pop out, like that. Fácil, homies. So now you're gonna have two 13 mil bolts holding this plate to the bracket over here in the back. 1, 2. So this part is now loose, okay? So now let's flip this seat the other side. Grab this seat and flip it around. Yeah. Just like that. God. I'll turn it this way. Oh, I just dropped my snap-on gun. Now we're gonna move the seatbelt buckle. If you lift up, this one has a cable right here. So we're gonna loosen this 18 mil bolt, then disconnect the cable, slide it through. There. See, off, there's the cable. Pry it off the little tab right here, this little white thing. Push your tab down, disconnect it. And remember the routing for this, because we're gonna have to cut holes for the lumbar, the bracket, and this seatbelt thing. Look, see how the factory cut the little, they spread it. So we're gonna follow that same procedure. Pry it up and out of the way. And we'll set this with the extra parts. Now we're gonna remove this armrest, grab the leather, peel it back, peel it back. This one's a T50. This job's a lot faster with impact. This just pops off, okay? Like that. So my impact right here so it doesn't drop again. Cause I'm gonna drop this shit. So now we're gonna take off this back seat. We're gonna separate it. So if I can show you guys real quick. Okay. So this is down like this. Okay, so we got the seat disassembled, guys. We got most of it out. Look at that. Everything's ready to go loose. Now, one thing left is we got a little plunger or let's say maybe a shaft. See right here? Look, let me show you guys. So you're gonna have two little plastic tabs. Spread those, and that plunger type looking thingy, shaft, whatever, slides right out. I'll show you guys. And then we use the trim tool. All right, look. So spread. So I'm gonna put this trim tool right behind it, and then I'm gonna spread it. See if you guys can, hold on, guys. Sorry if I'm in your way. Okay, spread it, and you're gonna pry it off, just like this. Pry it out. Come on, don't be like that. Okay. Did it just go back in place? Why you like that, man? Don't be like that. Oh, separate it more. Oh shit! We caught it. Now, fish the cable. See? Hello? Mic test 1, 2. We got it off. So let's do the bottom seat first. Then we'll go to this one second, okay? So put that right here. Let's put this over here now. Look at all this basura. Look at all that basura. It's all right. We'll sweep it all up. And then we'll use this mat for the bottom so we don't scratch our new ones, okay? So now we're gonna remove this adjuster, rack, whatever you wanna call it. So we're gonna take off this one first. That's one. And I'm gonna save all the bolts removed in the little thing. 2. Okay. Another one. This one. Okay. Down. Now, this one has a little plastic thing right there. Let's see if we can do it with the socket first before we use the swivel. Yeah. Yes, we did. Put that there. Okay. So now this part right here, it just pops up. Oh shit. Don't be like a dumbass like me and forget to disconnect it, okay? Right there. Shades off. We'll put this over here. Ah. And don't put it on backwards, guys. Don't put that on backwards. So you're gonna have one plastic here, one plastic here. You just gotta pop this off. One here, one there. So what I'm gonna do is you gotta force this down a little bit. We're gonna pop it off. Sometimes they're a bitch. We're not gonna reuse these. So what I'm gonna do is just pry them out. Okay, like this. We're not reusing this. They're already fucked up. This one should be easier. Let's see. Or not. This one should be easier, like this. Go to this side, like this, okay? Now we're gonna do this one. Just use a trim tool because we're not gonna reuse them. If you're gonna reuse this, put all your weight, your knees, and then unhook them. Like I said, we're not reusing this. Strip this shit off. Fucking need that. Okay. Excuse me, cables, you're in my way, man. All right, let's flip this around. Now let's check this out. You're gonna grab your mano, you're gonna punch it. Then you just like, you know, unwrap it, okay? Here, same thing here. Use the manos. If you've been working out, it's good, okay? If you've been working out, grab here. Oh my God, dude. I fucking ass been eating this seat up. Hey, actually, not me. I bought these seats like that. That vato's ass was eating this up, okay? All right? All right. Let's just put that on the record. It came like this. Oh my God. My ass just ate a little bit. Not a lot, okay? That vato's ass fucked this shit up. Now look, we have to remove these hog rings if you're gonna reuse this foam. There's hog rings, but we're not reusing this foam. So we can just go like this. Do this mamma jamma and throw it away because we got new foam. Sweep all this up right here. La la la, la la la. Now here's the foam. I'm gonna just set it in place, okay? Like that. I see. It's todo. Remember, this isn't really connecting to anything. It just pops on, pops off. Simple, okay? And shout out to the camera woman, guys. My wife. Yeah. From La Vida with Kim. Support her channel. Check her channel out. Tell your wife, your sister, your auntie, your grandma. Maybe they like to know, you know, how to bedazzle stuff. Imagine we like bedazzle our Ford emblem. No, we can't do that. No, we can't do that. All right. Check her channel out, guys. You're gonna confirm what's left, what's right. Now on the other side, there's a hole right here. This is where the lumbar cable goes, right here. Or where the little plunger is. That's gonna be right here. So this is gonna be driver's side. Then you're gonna have the other one here. Make sure you don't put them on the wrong one. Come give me the hug. I love you, son. All right, go there. I'm fixing my seats. So we got the seat cushion. Make sure you tuck it in. Or inside out, I'm sorry. Tuck it in. Inside out. Inside out. Now we're gonna make sure it's even with the seat. I'm gonna push this back. Here's where the hog rings come into play. So we gotta make sure this is even, Steven, on both sides. You don't want your ass sitting in the incorrect direction, okay? Make sure this is even, and we're gonna do the hog rings now. So this seats did come with hog rings. These are your hog ring pliers. Is what I was telling you about. Snap on, baby. Okay, spread them like that. Grab your hog ring, insert it in place like that. You're gonna have grooves in these pliers. See that groove right there? It sits in the groove. We'll turn it around, sits right there in the groove. So she's ready for you to install. Bam! See, it's even there, even there. Now, and what we're gonna do is I'm gonna start the one in the middle. I'm gonna go like this, poke it through like this. See that bar right here? You're gonna bring it into the bar. How I'm trying to do it where you guys can see. In there. Now, crimp it. Bam! Snug it down. So it's gonna bite to the bar on the material. And there's a bar right where the cushion is. It's gonna bite right into there. Make sure it's even, and you'll know. Because when you put it down, it should be lined up. Just like this. So now let's do this side. So poke it through. Make sure it's poked through. Go down. Crimp it. Crimp it down. Right there. Now we got that in. So I'm gonna show you a couple of them. I'm gonna show you 1, 2, 3, maybe two on the side, but it's gonna be the same thing all around, okay? We're gonna poke this through. Push this all the way down. See the little bar in the bottom? Squeeze it together. Squeeze it, mamma jammas. See? Front's done. Boom. Make sure that's good. Make sure it's lined up. It's good. That's perfecto right there. That's like professional chet right there. So here's the side. You're going to tuck that in. Make sure it's in there. And now you're going to go to town. Crimp it. Here. Bam. Right there. It's in. So now we move to here. The last one we'll do once we have the back part on. Okay? That's the last one right here. Okay. All right. Poke it through the rail again. All right. So now we're going to do the rear. Okay? So the rear, make sure it's even also. You're going to tuck it in just like that. Just bite into it. Like that. See that? Yeah. But they get the idea. Put it just like that. Yeah. One there, one there. Hog rings are in. Make sure it's even again. Imagine doing all that and you're like, fuck. Okay. All right. Now we're gonna take this off real quick. We're gonna get my camisa so we don't fuck it up. It's not what you want to do. And then put it over like this. Oh wait, no, don't do that yet. Don't do that yet. What's wrong with me? Okay, we got a camisa on the down. We got our shirt there. Now tuck it in. So we're gonna grab here. Let me show you closer. So you're gonna grab here and you're gonna stretch. Okay, here, stretch it over like this. Okay, stretch it. Okay, go around. Make sure this whole thing doesn't go out of place. Same thing with here. Stretch it. Okay, stretch it. Damn it. Okay, better than before. Now we turn this around. Bam. Then we're gonna tuck it. Tuck on that motherfucker. Okay. Tuck on that fucking piece of rails. There. And you know you got your foam in perfect place because see the rings? Shit, this one's broken. Don't ignore that, okay? Okay. I'm gonna start clipping them on. Right there. You do the same thing with this side. Okay. These we got in. Bam. Those are done. Now let's do the rear. Make sure we stretch it. Oh. Bam. In. That was a difficult job. Yes, it was. I'm gonna have I need a hug and a kiss. Oh shit. I love you, beautiful. Love you. All right. You give me the motivation to keep going. Let's do this. Get in there. Bam. Flip her back around. Look at this. Look at that. Look, don't touch it. Look, oh, that probably came from the factory.
That's what I was touching.
Oh, they have it stained. Oh, it's all right. A little cleaner can't, you know. Look at this. Tell me, does that look better than before? Does that look better than before? Tell me. Does this look better? Oh, you want to try it out? Let's see. All right, you can save yourself a lot of money doing this yourself. Girl, this is genuine leather. This is like Louis Vuitton right here. Girl, all right, get to work.